Good morning, Quadcopter 101 here. In continuation with my series of the best sport drones, those under $70, what I got for you today is the F801. Now this is the camera version, but I had removed the camera from this just for this video. There is a different version that comes without a camera. It runs about $46. It flies just as well. It's a very good flyer. It has a different controller than this though, but that's okay. The controller's more or less worth the same. Actually, I prefer the other controller to this one. It's, in my opinion, I think it was easier to fly the F801 with that other controller. But let's go into a flight of the F801 and show you its ability as a sport flyer. I'm in high. Okay, this is the F801, and again, it's a good sport flyer. I particularly like it because it can do flips rather easily. It continues on, so you can do rolling flips. It doesn't try to stop itself through a flip, which I kind of like. You can do loops. Let's demonstrate how to do that. Let go of the stick, press the button, pull back. You press the stick, or you let go of the stick, press the button, pull back. And then push forward again right after the flip to keep it going. Let's try a barrel roll. We're going to push left instead. Let go of the stick, push left, push forward. So this is one of the good ones that can do this particular movement. That's why I like it. It can do flips and rolls, flips and barrel rolls. I'm going to do a left barrel roll this time. Now, in regards to funnels, it's okay, but I've seen better. Like the U801 can do funnels much better. But the U801 can't do, again, this. It has a hard time doing that. So that's why I like this for doing rolls. Fun quadcopter. The F801. That's why I think this should be included in the best sport drones. It's the best roller and looper. Again, the cameraless version, the non-Wi-Fi version, runs only about $46. And I kind of like to fly that. You've seen my other one. It's colored yellow, but I brought this one out. I wanted to demonstrate this one could do the same. The red one that I got here. Just a fun flyer. All around fun flyer. And a great night flyer too. Great flyer. F801. And a climber. Just love flying this quad, F801. And it's well built too. If you see it, it's got good plastic on it. It's not cheap ass plastic. Good stuff. Good quad. See how you can keep that momentum up, and then you can do that. I like the quads that keep the momentum going. The ones that stop on a dime, you know, they're more for beginners. But if you can keep the momentum going, you can do extra tricks. So, I don't want to fly this one again either until the battery dies, because I want to keep it in one piece. Let's bring this in now and get my thumbnail. Let's see, I want to put the back end toward me this time, because it shows that blinking light on the back of it. Nice thumbnail. The F801, F801C. They're all called F801Cs. GearBest calls them. Even the version without the camera, or without the, well, they all got a camera. But what I'm trying to say is, one has Wi-Fi, one does not have Wi-Fi, and even the one that doesn't have Wi-Fi, they call that the F801C, and I don't know what the difference in designation is. Sometimes they call the Wi-Fi version the F801D. Okay, let's bring it in. Great quad. Again, the F801C, or D, we just call it F801. Look, I got this one from GearBest. I hope you enjoyed the flight. This is Quadcopter 101, signing out.